Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Fashion Hub. I hope you all are doing great. So I am back today with another exciting video for all of you. If you are new to my channel and if you are watching my video for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and get notified on all my videos. So guys, today I received a package from India sent by my mom. She has sent me a 18 kg package. There are a lot of super cool items in it. I'm so excited to show all of them to you. Let's get into the unboxing together. So the first thing from the package that I took is this cool earring collection and some bindi. So let's go ahead and open it. So the first earrings is this one with some nice stones. So all these earrings are oxidized, so they doesn't turn black or doesn't change their color. So it lasts good forever. Okay, let's see what this one also with some nice stones, with some white stones. And the next one is a jhumka, multicolor jhumka with some multicolor beads. Okay. And this one is again with a stone work. And all these earrings will go well with the ethnic wear. And then this one is so pretty in the peacock shape with multicolors. There is also one separate video in my channel on my earring collection. Do check that out if you didn't see that video. And then these are some nice bindis to go with the dresses. The next thing here is the cool embroidered handbag that she got from Delhi. She went on a trip last year and she got it from there for me. So yeah, this can be used as a clutch bag. You can carry like this. And then also as a sling bag if you don't want it to use as a clutch bag. So you can use it this way as well. So multi-purpose bag, and it goes well for all Indian festives or any parties or any other outings. I think this is also multicolor, so I think it will go with most of the outfits. So this one is a nice stone work kumkum box. So you can just put kumkum. So as I keep Golu for the Dashera function that is going to start, I'll be inviting friends to see my Golu. So I will be offering kumkum for my friends who come at that time. So I can just put it in this nice stone work box. So I think this is also from Delhi that she got. It's all with glitters and some nice multicolor stones, and also some other stone work as well. This is very good. This one is a nice embroidered foil embroidery cell phone pouch. So yeah, you can put your cell phone here, and it also comes with a small zipper at the back so that you can just put your card or cash with it. So this is all good if you need to step out with, I think the phone and the card and cash is the main thing that we need when we step out. So yeah, this is all we need. The next thing is this nice kumkum and chandan platter. You can put some kumkum and some chandan and serve it for your friends when they come for any Indian festives. So this is in the peacock shape with all the stone work done, and then you can just put this to here and then serve it nicely. Next, here's some cool neck piece that she has sent to match all the outfits in different colors. So let's go ahead and see. So the first one, so all these neck pieces are with these beads and stone work, but are in different colors. So yeah, this one is a nice blue color, blue and golden. And the next one is in a nice orange color. So the pattern is the same. It comes with a stone and bead work, but she has sent in different colors so that we can wear it according to the outfit color. And then orange color. Yeah. So this model is little different. These are like small big beads, not with any stone or something. So these are like this very tiny beads and also this medium sized beads. This work is little different. So I think this will go well with this dress that I am wearing now. Yeah, the next one. This is in a bright, nice green. This one is a cool decorative item with all these elephants, and they are all hand painted and comes along with a bell and some palms in the middle. So yeah, you can just use it in the golu or also like a decorative piece in anywhere around the home. It will look great. So I'll be using this for my golu, and I'll also be showing how I arrange my golu. I'll put a separate video on that as well. So now let's get on to dresses. There are a lot of dresses that she sent, probably like 16 to 17 dresses. So now I'll just show you like what is all that, but I'll be doing a separate haul with all the dresses with the matching earrings and the neck piece, so that you will get a better idea. So the first one that she has sent is a nice cool top. This will go with any skirt, ethnic wear skirt like long skirts, and this has a slit in the hand. Yeah, this is in a nice white and maroon color. It's perfect for a skirt. So yeah, let's go and check out the next one. So speaking of skirts, I think, yeah. So I think that top will go well with this skirt that she has sent. So a nice work at the bottom. Yeah, so you can all see. But this is a nice mustard color. So you can put some pink or maroon contrast top, which will look good for this mustard skirt. Or else even you can put this green color base top for this skirt in a contrast color. And the next one here is, I'm so excited when I open dresses. Okay, I think this is a very pretty long dress. This is in a printed pattern. I don't know if you can see fully, but yeah, I'm trying to show it. So this is a nice pretty long dress in a dark blue color. Yeah. So guys, all these dresses are from limeroad.com. So if you guys miss watching my previous ethnic wear haul, do check it out. That dresses are also from Limeroad, and these ones I'm going to put as a part 2 haul that will be coming soon, probably like next week. So yeah, this one is very cool, and it's in the cotton. So I think it will be very comfortable when we wear it. The material is cotton. Let's see what next one is all about. Okay guys, the next one is also a pretty printed long dress. This is in a maroon color with the prints. As you can see. So all these ethnic wear I'm just going to wear for this Dashara and also Diwali, and also keep some for Pongal as well. So I'm waiting to wear all of these dresses. These are so pretty. So when I wear it with the earrings and the neck piece, I think you will get a nice idea of it. Okay. So let's go and see the next one. Okay, this one is a nice cool cold shoulder top. So this one will go well for ethnic wear and also a western wear. You can pair it up with a nice cool skirt, or also with a palazzo pant or something. So yeah, this cold shoulder hand here. So you can use it both for western and also like Indian wear. Okay, the next one is here, an awesome cool printed skirt, a black skirt with a nice golden and pink border. So I think the top that I showed you, because this one is plain, you can put like a printed or any work kind of top, which will give you a contrast look. Yeah, I love skirts. They are super comfortable in all seasons. So this pink gives a nice contrast to this black. I like the border also very much. This golden and pink color. The next one. Okay, so this is a set actually. This is not a single piece. This is a two-piece set. So this one is a printed long skirt with a sleeveless printed top. This comes as a set, two-piece set. So this one and this one. Looks perfect for a cool and breezy evening. I just can't wait to wear all of these dresses. Okay, so the next one is also a skirt, a white skirt with some nice golden border, golden and maroon printed border. You can either wear a black top or a contrasting dark color. Any dark color top will go well with this white skirt. And the next one is here, a dress again, a long dress. Yeah. So this has this peacock pattern all over. Which looks super cool. And this one also has a side slit along this dress, which gives a different look. Yeah. So I think I'll keep this one for Diwali. I also like this color as well. It's so pretty. So this one is a two-piece dress. So this is like a coat, and so yeah. So this is the dress, and that one is a coat on top of it that you can wear. It's a two-piece dress with nice some dark, I think it's a dark blue or a black. I think it's a black. I'm not very sure. Yeah. So this also has a side slit in the dress. On top of it, you can pair it up with a nice coat. So this is a two-piece set. Okay guys, and the next one is also a dress. Yeah. This is a nice dark blue. Some flower printed dress, long dress. So the next one is here is a nice cool printed top. So this again I think goes well with a western or an Indian wear. You can either pair it up with a skirt or also a palazzo pant or a jean or anything. So in a nice elephant printed top. So you can see the different hand pattern here. Yeah, looks so cool, right? Yeah, so let's see the next one. So guys, usually I buy all these when I go for India trip, because these limeroad.com, they don't do international shipping. The shipping is only within India. So whenever I go for vacation to India, I buy them for a year for all the festives that are gonna come, and I plan and I buy it. But for the past few years, I couldn't go due to some personal reasons. So this year, I asked my mom to send all of these. So probably I can use all these dresses like for another 1 year. So I only use it during the Indian festive time. So the next one is nice cool top. So this is also can be paired up with western or Indian wear, it's up to you. A nice white and cream. I think it's a cream color, not more of white, with some nice cool flower prints on it. And the next one here, yeah. This one is a pant, a palazzo kind of pant, tie front pant, if I'm not wrong, with a stripe pattern. So this will go well for a party, like a party with friends or going out for shopping or anything. So I bought this in 2 colors. This one was okay. This is also the same pattern but different color. This one is in black and that one was in dark blue, but the same pattern, same palazzo and tie front type pants. Okay. So I think this one is probably the last dress. I think probably she sent like 16 to 17 dresses. Yeah. So this one is a cool small knee length skirt. Yeah. This is also in a dark blue with some nice prints at the bottom. So this one is mostly for peak summer. I don't think I am going to use it now because there's already fall started here. It's cold. It's going to get cold in few days. So probably I'll save this for summer. So yeah, so that's it for all the dresses. So now let's go and see yeah, some stuff that I will show you. So these are some kanchi powder that she has sent for my son who is 1 year old. So this basically has all the millets in it, like wheat, barley, cashew, badam. So you have to just cook it with either milk or water and then add a little bit of jaggery or sugar, organic sugar preferable. And then I think for 1 year, 2 year old, this will be a great breakfast or a dinner. Because usually when we try to give all this separately, they are not going to take it. So when this come as like a powder, and they don't add any artificial sugars in it, only the millets they add. And this is from a brand called Grand Sweets and Snacks, which is very famous in Chennai. So most of the Chennai people will know it. So they are very they specialize in all these pickles and these kanji powders and other savory sweets. So it has, I mean, this shop has been there for like many years now. So this is also very good for health. So if you are looking to buy for 1 to 2 year old kids, then I highly recommend this. I was getting this here in the Indian stores here, but now they are like running out of stock. So I wanted this badly for my son. So she has sent like 4 or 5 bottles of these. So this one is a small kadai. It's generally used for frying. I don't like fry a lot of items. Like I don't take oil fried items that often, but still I can use it during festive times or something. So this one I couldn't find it here. So she has sent me this. And also she has sent me this puppets. So these are in different shape. We say as badams in Tamil. So yeah, I think these are also from Grand Sweets, the same shop where she got the kanchi powder. So this is for my son that she has sent. I have a 7-year-old. So this is some trading games, because she has sent so many dresses for me. I think my son will be very sad. So she has sent some trading games and toys for my 7-year and 1-year-old. This is a small Ganesha that I can keep in the golu. Hey guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked today's unboxing. Please do like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more exciting videos. See you all soon. Bye. Take care.